Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have a value to test. Now implement the switch block. Declare the switch with the expression you want evaluated. Add individual case labels for each distinct value, then follow each case with the statements to run. Once done, include a break when you want to stop fall through or intentionally omit it to group behavior. Make sure to add a default case to handle unexpected values so the function remains robust and predictable. Now refine behavior for complex inputs. Group multiple case labels that share the same outcome to reduce duplication. If your language supports pattern matching or ranges, leverage those to concisely express conditions like value 10 or strings with prefixes. When behaviors grow complicated, extract logic into clear helper functions and call them from case blocks. This keeps each case readable and testable. Make sure to maintain consistent return or break patterns so control flow stays explicit and easy to follow. Finish by running targeted tests that exercise each case, including edge values and invalid inputs. This proves the switch behaves as intended. If a case should stop execution, verify a break or return is present. Otherwise, confirm fall-throughs are deliberate and documented. Once satisfied, add clear logging or specific error handling in the default branch so unexpected values are visible in runtime. If something goes wrong,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.